For some change, I'm not gonna start off with moisturizer or anything else. So I'm gonna start off with an oil. So this is Glowing Goddess primer. It's a oil basically, but it says it's a primer, so that means moisturization and priming will be done in one product. So this is what I bought it from an Instagram store. I'm gonna link it down below, and you can have the Instagram store name on the screen. And I'm gonna hydrate my lips with this Nika Cereal Kisser lip balm. It's green apple, so I'm gonna do that. Next we're gonna do the color correcting. Color correcting is really important if you have uneven skin tone. For that I'm gonna use the LA Pro concealer, HD concealer. This is in the shade orange and this is green. So I'm gonna apply the orange one on my dark areas like dark circles, a little bit pigmentation here, and the green one on the red areas, or if any pimple I have. Right now I'm not having, but the marks are there, so wherever I have, like, you know, red marks, I'm gonna apply it over there. Yeah. Color correcting is done. I'm gonna go in with the foundation. So for the foundation, I am using the Nika Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This is triple active action formula. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this one. I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand. Yeah, like this. And now one thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some glow. So I am going to put some illuminator with my foundation. I'm gonna mix it with the foundation. Okay, so I'm mixing this illuminator. This is TS Cosmetics illuminator. So I'm gonna add this. This is what I bought it from an Instagram store. I'm gonna link it down below if you're interested. This is really good. So I'm gonna add like 2 or 3 pumps. 2, 3, oh, 4. Okay, so you can see this is kind of golden in color. Concealer, I'm taking this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This is what is my favorite, every time favorite. Concealer blends into your skin like no one's business, literally. Okay, so we are done with the concealing. Now I'm gonna go and set everything out. For that, I'm taking this NYX HD Studio Photogenic powder. This much is enough. I'm gonna do my brows. For that, I am using this Wet n Wild brow pencil. One side it has a spoolie, and on the other side we have the product. So we're done with the brows, and now let's do the eye makeup. for my eyes, I will be using this Nika K Makeup Mocha Mix eyeshadow palette. So this is a small one. So I will be taking this color right here, pretty pink mauvish color, and I'm gonna tap off the excess. I'm gonna go in with the outer corner and then setting in with the crease. Next, I'm gonna take this dark brown color and I'm just going to put it on the outer V. I'm gonna blend it with the same color that I used before. So next, I'm gonna take this glitter. I'm gonna press it in the center. I'm gonna take this same shade that I put it on my crease. I'm gonna blend it with the same. Put some eyeliner. Open up my eyes by applying this white kajal. Actually, this is a skin color kinda. So I'm gonna put this one on my waterline. I'm gonna put some fake lashes and I'll be back. So I'm back with the lashes. Now I'm gonna put some bronzer on my face. For that, I'm using this Wet n Wild contouring palette contour. So this is a powder contour and I'm gonna apply this one. Highlight my face with this powder. I'm gonna put some blusher. So I'm gonna use this Essence Matte Touch blush. This is in the shade this is in the shade 60 Cherry Me Up. Before applying the highlighter, do spray some fixing spray or hydrating spray on your face. And now apply the highlighter on your face. So I have applied the shade Drop Dead Red in Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks, and I love this shade. And this highlighter is so popping. This is the Pack Baked highlighter in the shade 02. So here's the final look, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked the video, the tutorial and the look, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. And yes, I'll see you in my next video super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.